Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials, your Apple ID credentials, an updated iPad, and a recent backup. Once done, open Settings and go to Screen Time to try the built-in reset flow. If you see Change Screen Time Passcode, tap it, then choose Forgot Passcode and sign in with your Apple ID when prompted. This attempts a direct reset using your account. Do that first because it preserves data and is quicker than a full restore. If the Forgot Passcode option fails or you can't sign in, make sure the iPad is backed up and connect it to your computer. Next, force the iPad into recovery mode using the correct button sequence for your model and open Finder or iTunes. When the app detects recovery mode, choose Restore. This downloads the latest iOS and erases the device, removing the screen time passcode. Wait for the restore to finish, then set up the iPad again and sign into your Apple ID to continue. Once the iPad is restored, follow the on-screen setup and sign in with your Apple ID. Then go to Settings, Screen Time, and create a new screen time passcode. If you restored from backup, prefer an encrypted local backup to preserve passwords and avoid repeating setups. Make sure to enable Find My and note the new passcode somewhere secure. Troubleshooting tip: if the backup reintroduces the old screen time passcode, set up as a new device or contact Apple support for guided assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.